In the dynamic world of project management, having the right tools at your disposal can be the difference between seamless execution and a chaotic scramble. Among the myriad of software solutions available, Scoro has carved a niche as a comprehensive platform designed to streamline workflows and enhance team collaboration. For those venturing into project management or seeking to elevate their existing practices, understanding the capabilities of such tools is paramount. A key feature often sought within project management modules is the Gantt Chart, a visual cornerstone for planning, scheduling, and tracking progress. So, the burning question for many is, does Scoro's project management module come equipped with this invaluable asset? Let's delve into the intricacies of Scoro and explore the role of Gantt charts within its framework. At its core, Scoro is engineered to provide an end-to-end solution for businesses, encompassing project management, sales, CRM, billing, and reporting functionalities. Its project management module is designed to empower teams to organize tasks, allocate resources effectively, monitor progress in real time, and ultimately deliver successful projects. For newcomers to project management, it's helpful to think of this module as a central hub where all project-related information converges. It allows project managers and team members to have a clear overview of what needs to be done, who is responsible, and when tasks are due. This centralized approach fosters transparency and accountability, crucial elements for any successful project. Now, let's turn our attention to the star of the show, the Gantt chart. Imagine a visual timeline where each task within a project is represented by a horizontal bar. The length of the bar corresponds to the duration of the task, and its position on the timeline indicates its start and end dates. Dependencies between tasks can also be visually represented, showing which tasks need to be completed before others can begin. This visual representation offers a powerful way to understand the project schedule at a glance, identify potential bottlenecks, and track progress against the planned timeline. For individuals learning about project management, the Gantt chart serves as an intuitive and easily digestible way to grasp the concept of project scheduling and dependencies. So, does Scoro integrate this powerful visualization tool within its project management module? The answer is a resounding yes. Scoro understands the critical role that Gantt charts play in modern project management and seamlessly incorporates them into its platform. This integration allows users to leverage the visual clarity of Gantt charts to plan their projects meticulously. Within Scoro, you can create and modify tasks, assign them to team members, set start and end dates, and define dependencies, all within the intuitive Gantt chart interface. Dragging and dropping taskbars allows for easy adjustments to the schedule, providing flexibility when faced with unforeseen circumstances. The benefits of having a Gantt chart integrated directly within a project management module like Scoro are numerous. Firstly, it enhances planning and scheduling. By visualizing the entire project timeline, project managers can break down complex projects into manageable tasks, estimate durations accurately, and establish a realistic schedule. For those learning project management, this visual breakdown helps in understanding the hierarchical structure of projects and the importance of sequencing tasks logically. Secondly, Gantt charts facilitate resource allocation. By seeing which tasks are running concurrently and their respective durations, project managers can identify potential resource conflicts and allocate team members effectively. This ensures that the right people are working on the right tasks at the right time, maximizing efficiency and preventing overallocation. For educational purposes, this highlights the crucial link between scheduling and resource management in project success. Thirdly, Gantt charts provide a clear view of project progress. As tasks are completed, their corresponding bars on the chart can be marked accordingly, offering a visual representation of how the project is tracking against the original plan. This allows for early identification of delays or potential roadblocks, enabling timely intervention and corrective actions. For someone studying project management, this demonstrates the importance of continuous monitoring and control. Furthermore, the visual nature of Gantt charts enhances communication and collaboration within the project team. Everyone involved can easily understand the project timeline, their individual responsibilities, and how their tasks fit into the overall picture. This shared understanding fosters better coordination and reduces the chances of miscommunication. In an educational context, This emphasizes the role of visual tools in effective team communication. Scoro's implementation of Gantt charts often goes beyond basic visualization. Many platforms, including Scoro, offer interactive Gantt charts that allow for real-time updates, progress tracking, and even collaboration directly within the chart interface. This means that team members can update their task progress, add comments, and communicate any issues directly within the visual timeline, making it a dynamic and collaborative tool. For individuals and organizations seeking a robust project management solution, the inclusion of a comprehensive and user-friendly Gantt chart functionality within Scoro's project management module is a significant advantage. It empowers users to plan effectively, manage resources efficiently, track progress visually, and foster better team collaboration. Whether you are a seasoned project manager or just starting your journey in this field, the visual clarity and organizational power of a Gantt chart, seamlessly integrated within a platform like Scoro, can significantly enhance your ability to navigate projects with precision and achieve successful outcomes. Understanding this integration is a valuable lesson for anyone looking to learn or write about effective project management practices.